The W, the O, the R, the K. The W, the O, the R, the K. Look yourself in the face. Look yourself in the mirror. Ask yourself, are you giving 120% every day? Every play? Give me 120 or don't give me nothing at all. The guy you competing against, you haven't outworked him. You've not outworked the person next to you. You've not out-hustled them. You've not out-grind them. You've not outdone them. You're not locked in. Bring all your passion. Bring heart. Every single game, every single play. Put forth 120% or don't ask nobody to do nothing to you. The W, the O, the R, the K. The W, the O.
What's up? What's going on, everybody? TGIF to everybody. Happy Friday. We're about to get it in for an hour on this lovely Friday, guys. Let's put this work in. Let's do what we do. Let's go ahead. Let's make some money. Let's get set for the weekend. Let's do this thing. Let's get this thing moving. You know, this cryptocurrency market, man, we are in it. We're in it, man. And I told you guys this thing's probably going to trade just sideways for a little while, man. So enjoy the ride. Enjoy the fact that we can get into these cryptos at this bargain basement price. I still think we're at the floor. I still don't think that we are anywhere near where we're going when it comes to cryptocurrency, guys. So all these prices are good prices still. So we're going to enjoy this Friday. We're going to get into it a little bit. We're going to look at the market. We're going to see what the hell we got going on this morning. Going to get you guys ready for the weekend, man. It is definitely TGIF, baby. And we're gonna get into it here in a minute. Let's see who the heck we got up in here early this morning, ready to make some money. Only the people up this early in the morning are making money, man. Everybody else, man, they're sleeping, then they're sleeping on making money. So you know, the early bird always gets the worm, man. What's going on, Mr. P? Good morning. There's my man right there. My man Seiko Hunt is in the building. Yes, let's go, baby. Let's go. We're going to put in this work today. Going to put in this work this weekend. We're going to do all of this stuff, man. We're going to make this money, man. We're millionaires in the making. Good morning. The Junior is in the building. What is up? What is up, my brother? My brother, how you doing? Man, Elmo is in the building. My man, 50 grand right there. Elmo, what is up? What is up? Seiko, good morning to you too, brother. Good morning. Yes, we are up. We are after it. We're doing our thing this morning, man. So Daniel, you're creating trouble. I'm always creating trouble, man. I'm always creating trouble, baby. That's what we do, man. We call it what it is. Give me $50. No, Junior, you give me $50, baby. You the one over here making all this money, baby. Give me $50. Let's go ahead. Let's get in. Let's get after it, baby. The Asian markets, man, they closed, man. They didn't look too good. The European markets woke up a little bit earlier than the American markets. They look all right. They look halfway decent today, guys. The American stock market continues to go on this crazy ride. That's BS there. maybe. Give me $50. No, Seiko, you give me $50, baby. The American markets, though, man, this stock market has been on an absolute tear, guys. I'm telling you guys, if you guys aren't in both markets, man, you're cheating yourself, man. Don't cheat yourself. Listen, guys, got into the Reddit IPO yesterday. I got into it. Definitely. I got into it at $35. We'll be driving. That's all right, Elmo. I know you're always driving, man. Always listening in, doing your thing on your way to work, man. I know how it is, brother. That grind. Always on that grind. I got into the Reddit IPO yesterday. $34 IPO. Launched at $49.50, man. So as soon as it launched, we were $10 ahead. Brought this to you guys. Told you guys not to sleep on Reddit. In their IPO launch. just imagine being $10 up as soon as they went live, man, being $10 up on every share that you bought, guys. So definitely was a good investment there. With this Reddit popping off, and it popped 48%. As soon as it went off, guys. So definitely was what was a great launch for Reddit, man. I'm proud of them people over there at Reddit, man. They did their thing, and they went public. So definitely a good day for Reddit. Good day for the Reddit community. Good day for everybody who used Reddit, because they're now publicly traded company. I bet, guys, this is BlackRock's. This is BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF sitting at $37.16. It's down a little bit. Why do we talk about this one in the morning? Why do we talk about these Bitcoin, Ethereum ETFs, guys? Because if these are down, Bitcoin's usually going to be struggling, right? Because this is where the majority of the Bitcoin inflows and outflows are coming from now, is these ETFs. So definitely, it's down just a little bit to open the day. So it correlates to what we're about to look at over here in the cryptocurrency market. The cryptocurrency market sitting at about a $2.5 trillion market cap, lost about $5 billion from Wednesday when we talked. The fear and greed index sitting at 79. It's starting to drop a little bit. It was up in the 80s on Wednesday when we talked. So the two run together, as you guys can see. The Bitcoin price and the ETF price kind of, they run together. Them inflows, them outflows, that's what's driving Bitcoin right now. So, you look at them IPOs and it can kind of tell you where Bitcoin is going to be at. LeGrand, what's going on, my brother? That's right. Smash that like button. Smoke that like button, guys, because, push us up in the old algo. Push us up in the old algorithm, brother. Smash that like button. Bitcoin sitting at $64,853, down about 0.8% on the hour, down about 3.7% on a 24-hour. Bitcoin's playing struggle buggy right now, but definitely in this range where we thought it would sit for a little while. So I'm not too worried about Bitcoin right now. What's up, Daniel, man? Living that crypto dream, LeGrand, on a Friday, brother. Living that crypto dream. My man Big Watch is in the building, man. What is up? Yo, my man Big Watch be on them Solana plays, baby. He be on them Solana plays, man. Put me on to a couple. Man, Big Watch, he's a soul brother. He's a soul brother right now over there on that Solana chain, killing it, man. Man, it's a soul brother, man. I feel you, brother. I feel you, because I'm over there too, man, doing our thing, man. Getting in and out of these degen plays, man. We don't talk about them a lot on here, but because you're in, you're out, right? You're in, you're out. That's just how it goes, right? But smoke that like button on your way in, guys. But Bitcoin sitting at 64,800 now. Wants to just pull back to 4 and 8, between 4 and 8. Ethereum sitting at $3,438, guys. Ethereum, guys. Ethereum, they are coming after Ethereum right now. We're going to talk about it in a minute. The SEC is coming after Ethereum. You got states coming after Ethereum. The Ethereum Foundation, man. Ethereum is under attack right now. So, like Sam and Dave said, I'm a soul man. Yes, you are, brother. You are definitely a soul man. So yes, I love it, man. Go where the money is, baby. Go where the money is. That's what we say here. Go where the money is, and wherever the money is, that's where you need to be. And if you're not over there where the money is, then you're just missing out. BNB sitting at $571, guys. BNB, up about 0.8% on the 24-hour. BNB just continues to perform, guys. No matter what FUD it comes at BNB, no matter what, man, they just continue to perform. That restructuring after CZ, I think, is doing the BNB chain really well, and I think they're going to be all right, man. The BNB chain is going to move. This thing's going to move. during the bull market, you're gonna see even more price action off of BNB than you see right now. So I like it, man. I like it. It's Friday, baby. Yes, it is, baby. Yes, it is, LeGrand. It is Friday. We're almost to the freaking weekend, baby. Almost to the freaking weekend. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, Heat, man? Smoke that like button, baby. Smoke that like button. I like it, man. What's up, Heat? Good morning. Solana, $174 right now. Didn't have a bad. It had a pretty bad night, down 8.1%. Gotta expect this pullback on Solana though, man. Gotta expect it. I'm watching. Bum. We're in the book of memes, man. We're gonna talk about it for a minute. That thing is taking off, man. That thing's getting ready to move. What I like about the book of memes, a lot of people don't realize it until you get behind the scenes and really start to pull back the hood, is the biggest wallets in the book of memes are actually exchanges. So that holds the floor for you. XRP sitting at 62 cents, guys. XRP sitting at 62 cents. Positive news about the court case. It just seems every time they have positive news, it just seems to come at the exact wrong time in a down market. So, man, I tell you, if they could get some positive news in an up market, they might actually move. Going to be a little hard for them to move right now in this market where we're at right now. Dogecoin sitting at 15 cents, guys. You guys know I love some Doge. Up about 4.5% on the 24-hour. Not performing too well on the hour, but definitely performed well overnight. Cardano, guys. This thing was up, touching almost 80 cents a couple weeks ago. It's down 10.1%, sitting at 62%. 62 cents on the day right now. AVAX, guys. AVAX continues to perform. This chain is picking up. It's picking steam. It's picking up steam. More and more projects launching over there. Sitting at $54.74, guys. AVAX up 9.2% on the week. Just continues to perform, guys. AVAX is another one. It's just it's gonna be one to watch. XRP gonna make a move today. We're gonna see. The market's not looking like anybody's really gonna take off. The book of memes now on CDC. Yeah. Too much. Yeah, I love the book of memes. Man, they keep getting exchanges. I love where they're going. XRP is going nowhere. It doesn't seem to be able to get any legs under it to make it run, man. It just doesn't. And all the news, whenever they get good positive news, it's always in a down market. Hey DG, do you think the AMA will have a price impact on XRP today? I don't know. Big watch the market, man. It's the market, right? It's just the market doesn't seem to want to run. I think I said it on Wednesday. Like, I just think that the market right now is comfortable where it sits. Bitcoin's comfortable between this 64 and 68,000 mark, and Ethereum's comfortable sitting right here between this 3,400 and 3,000, like high 3,500 area. I just think that that's where the market's comfortable right now. So the market itself just really isn't trying to take off. You know what I mean? It's just not trying to go anywhere right now. And that's okay. Going into the halving, I think we got 22 days until the halving. You want the market to kind of stabilize a little bit before that. So I don't know. There's not a big influx of money coming into the market. So it's going to be hard for anything really to take off, right? Polkadot. You guys know I'm a big Polkadot fan, man. I love Polkadot. $9.10, down from $10, man. Great buy here. Bought some more yesterday. Chainlink sitting at $18.04, struggling right now. Chainlink struggling right now. down about 5.1% on the week. Thing drops any lower, I might add to my bag here. But I got a couple pretty nice sized chain link bags, so just kind of riding it out. But eventually, sometimes these tokens get you to the point where you're forced to buy. They come down so far, you're forced to buy. Polygon, Matic, sitting at 98 cents, cannot hold that dollar mark anymore. It was held that dollar mark for so long, starting to fall in between this 98 cents and $1.01 range, down about 9.9% on the week. Just struggling to hold this dollar mark right now. Hey, Junior, sounds like you a soul brother too. Yeah, Junior's becoming a soul brother. Big watch. He is, man. He's becoming a soul brother. But yo, Polygon, it's just struggling to hold that dollar mark right now. It's just it's crazy because it was like $1.15, $1.20, and now it's just struggling. Aptos, guys, continues to run up the board, man. $15.97. Told you guys about this one right around $11 that I thought that a bunch of venture capital money was coming into Aptos and that it would run. Do I believe in the blockchain? No, but I believe in money, right? And I know where venture capital money is. That's where it's going to run. You know, you got to remember Aptos is starting up like Solana did, bunch of venture capital money and then mass adoption. So Aptos is actually jumped internet computer. So Aptos making a major move to the upside. Internet computer sitting at $13.19, up about 5.3% on the week, 7.4% on the 24-hour. Internet computer, a little bit of a run to the upside, trying to regain where it was at. Stacks, guys, $3.53, guys, up 4.2% on the day, 31.99% on the week. Told you guys we were buying stacks at $2.80, guys. We're almost touching that dollar, that up $1 per stack that we bought, guys. So definitely doing well on our stack investment right there. Gotta love this. Gotta love it. Gotta love it when you wake up and you're making money. Gotta love when you wake up and making money. Watch out for this one, guys. Immutable. We talk about it from time to time on here. Big gaming crypto. Probably one of the only gaming cryptos that I hold. Mutable, sitting at $2.80. I don't hold a lot of gaming crypto, but that's the only one that I hold. Stellar XLM, guys, sitting at 13 cents. Took a little bit of a dip back, 1.42% on a 24-hour. Man, I tell you, XLM got to have a run here. I can feel a run coming in XLM here pretty soon, guys. Excuse me. Chrono sitting at 13 cents, guys. You know, up 3.8% on the week, but hasn't performed well on a 24-hour. It doesn't look like it's performing well on the hour either. But again, guys, I think Crow's going to run. Crow's going to run. Everybody's got its day. Everybody's got its time. And Crow's definitely going to have its moment. And when it does, boy, it's going to be a big one. Casper up to 15 cents, guys. Up to 15 cents. Up 3.9% on the 24-hour. Up 17.12% on the week, guys. Casper making that move, slowly making that move. Sitting at the number 39 overall cryptocurrency. I still think Casper will crack the top 15 as far as cryptocurrencies go. I got big hopes for Casper. Phantom. I got an article about Phantom up to $1.20, man. Absolutely blowing the doors off this week. Sitting up at 61.73%. This blockchain's getting ready to come out with an upgrade. Everybody's buying into the upgrade, man. Watch the buy the rumor, sell the news, guys. It is the. Let's see here, guys. Let's see if we just pull the article right now. Maybe we'll get there. Right here, guys. Phantom. Damn, I hate these sites, man. They always hit you with freaking ads, right? Phantom. Phantom is the best performing non-meme token of the past 30 days, guys. So if you take out all of the meme tokens, Phantom has performed the best out of any crypto over the past month. Look at this chart, man. Phantom absolutely has taken off, man. But I'm telling you, this upgrade that's coming, watch the buy the rumor, sell the news, guys. Pay attention to that. A lot of people are buying into that upgrade, and they may sell off on you once that upgrade goes live. So if you're in it, watch what's going on. I do own just a little bit of Phantom from my previous investment in Phantom. So I do own a little bit, not a ton, just a little bit. I'll probably sell it off here pretty soon on this run, just because it's not a huge amount. But yo, it's up 62% on the week. I do know that. Pepe, my brother Pepe. I got big hopes for Pepe, baby. I see a big run for my boy Pepe in this bull run. It's down 12% on the week, 5% on the day, 2% on the hourly. But I do love my boy Pepe. What's up, Timsky? What's going on, brother? I'm waiting on the Titan upgrade. Yeah, I'm telling you, I think the Titan upgrade is going to be another big one. It's going to be another one of them big buy the rumor, sell the news. And I'm in on that. I'm in on that one. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm in on it. And I'm gonna buy into that buy the rumor, sell the news, man. Sometimes you just gotta go in sometimes, man. You just gotta go in, man. Say, all right, man, we know what's coming, man. So but yeah, definitely gonna probably buy in on that Titan upgrade. Get down here a little bit further and see what's going on. Dog with hat. You guys know we like dog with hat sitting at $2.28. Not performing that well either. 17% on the week, 5% on that 24-hour, 2% on the hour. But this got a run in it, guys. Too much money flowing through there for them not to have a run. Floki doing well, doing okay. Floki had a monster run to the upside last week. So pullback, we all knew was coming. 7% on the 24-hour, 2% on the day. Floki had a monster run last week, guys. Monster. I did take profits off of Floki last week. I do own Floki. I did take some profits off of it. I've been holding it for a long time. Been waiting for that run. Jupiter, guys, up to $1.20. Up 30% on the week, guys. 30% on the week, Jupiter. So if you're in Jupiter, you're in 30% profit, man. Consolidation till mid-April. Yeah, I think so. I think we're just going to consolidate till after the halving, which is good. Gives us a chance to really buy into some of these cryptos that we want to buy into. I think the meme coins will run. I think you're going to see a meme coin run, but much like we're seeing right now. But I don't think we're going to see a big altcoin run, a big blue chip run. Definitely going to see a meme coin run. Meme coins are just running, man. They are just running. Bonk, guys, do the same thing. It's down like the rest of the meme coins. 22% on the week, 3% on the hour, 1.3%. 3% on the 24-hour, 1.3% on the hour. So performing like all the rest of them, right? No need for alarm there. Pyth, guys, guys. The more and more I look at this Pyth network, the more and more I'm loving this thing, man. This to me, the Pyth network right here says to me, Chainlink early, guys. They're running off a bunch of ordinals. They're running off. I mean, this is data, guys. And I'm telling you, I am all in on this Pyth network, man. I am stacking my bags like I'm stacking for stacks, man. This Pyth network, I'm telling you, it's a few partnerships. Me and 2Bit were talking about this last night on his stream. They are a couple partnerships away from being a probably, you know, a $5 coin. I'm telling you, I am in on this network. This gives me all of them early Chainlink vibes, man. What they have going on over there, and it's on the Solana network, guys. So it's cheap. It's cheap, man. When we started buying this in the low 50 cent, early 60 cent range, guys. So it's sitting at 90 cents right now. It was as high as like $1.10, something like that. But I'm not selling any of that right now. It just gives me early Chainlink vibes, man. That's what I got going on over there, is them early Chainlink vibes, man. And I wish I could have got into Chainlink when it was $1. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna miss that opportunity with Pyth. Definitely not gonna miss it with Pyth. Jasmine, man, look at Jasmine cracking that top 100 again, baby, sitting at 92, the 92 cryptocurrency overall. Jasmine popping that top 100 again, baby, sitting at 2 cents, 2177. Yo, up 21% on the week, up 2% on the 24-hour, down 1.5% on the hour, baby. But Jasmine is back in the top 100, sitting at number 92, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Jasmine getting ready to make that move. Jasmine getting ready to make that move to the upside. 3 cents incoming. 3 cents incoming, man. I'm telling you right now, Jasmine got 3 cents incoming. Yo, Selmo is in the building, my brother. Selmo, I'm freezing over here, man. I'm freezing over here on the East Coast, man. Freezing, brother. I DCA'd on Bonk. Yeah, I've been buying Bonk. I've been buying Bonk, man. I've been buying Bonk, and I'm a big Bonk. I think that it was set up by the Solana devs or somebody close to them. I don't think that they're gonna let it fail. I just don't. I think it's gonna be there for a minute. My man, Selmo, man, I'm crying over here on the East Coast, brother. I'm freezing, man. I'm freezing. So when we look at the meme coins, guys, nothing's changed here. Guys, we got Dogecoin at 1, Shiba at 2, Pepe at 3, Dog with a Hat at 4, Floki at 5, Book of Me and Bonk at 6. I'm sorry, Book of Memes at 7. And then there's a big drop off to number 8, guys. But definitely the Book of Memes, man. Holy Jesus, man. This thing's up 255% on the week, baby. 255% on the week. Woo! Come on. We didn't get in as early as we wanted to, but man, we in here early. We in there now. We in there now. Warm down here in Florida. I'm on my way pretty soon. Warm here in Louisiana. I'm not going to Louisiana, but I'll probably be on my way to Florida here in a couple weeks, man. Couple weeks. So ADG. I feel like crypto space in 5 years. In 5 years after regulation, we'll cast of top. Yo, here's the thing. The crypto space in 5 years is going to be completely different, right? Meme coins will always have their space in cryptocurrency, right? Understand that. Meme coins will always have their space. You know, think about it like trading Pokemon cards. Think about it like trading comics, right? That's kind of how you got to think about it. I don't think we'll ever get rid of they'll ever be able to get rid of meme coins, but I do think that in the next 5 years in the cryptocurrency space, you're going to see them top 100 tokens or whatever. They're going to be the ones that survive, and everybody else is just going to kind of be hanging out if they're around. Regulation's going to kill off a lot of this stuff. They say that they can't regulate DeFi. A lot of people say that they can regulate DeFi, and we'll get into how they're about to do it. No Florida until summer. Summer's here. Oh man, I gotta go, man. I gotta go, brother. I gotta go, Mr. P. I gotta go, man. It's snowing over here, man. Come to Cali. Say go one of these days. I'm gonna get to Cali. We gonna hang out, man. Man. After this, after this 20 degrees. Yeah, RJ, man. RJ came back here on the East Coast. He's like, I want to get the hell up out of here. What's up, my man? RJ's in the building. What is up, RJ? RJ's a soul brother too, man. RJ's a soul brother. I'm clocking in. You guys, you have a great weekend, Junior. You too, brother. Knock it out. RJ's a soul brother too. But when we look at these meme coins, man, there's a big drop off after Book of Memes, guys. Book of Memes sitting at $841 million right now. Got up to $1 billion, man. Got up to $1 billion. I think it'll get back up to $1 billion. I think I think we're headed there. And you know, we'll get into that in a minute. But you know, I think that they can regulate DeFi. You know, as far as that goes, and they will. They will. Sego Hunt got a whiff, got a whiff of that, that Kulo. Now he cock blocking. So that is funny. You put all the tokens in there, the Kulo, the cock blocking. Oh my god, that is funny as hell, dog, man. That is funny as hell, dog. So what? So what's the deal? What's the deal with MMAI? Yo, we'll get into that in a minute, yo, man. Seiko, man, you gonna love this shit. MMAI just pulled, man. You gonna love this. But let's get in. I wanna touch on a little something before we go any further here, guys. So here you got the Ethereum Foundation is under investigation by state authorities, right? So I was reading this article this morning. It's not saying what the Ethereum Foundation is under investigation for or what states are investigating them, but the Ethereum Foundation is now under investigation by some state authorities, right? Not a good look, right? Not when you come over here and you look at this, what's going on right now. SEC pursuing legal campaign to classify Ethereum as a security. Here's the problem. Here is the problem with this. Will the SEC win? Their track record's not that great, right? Their track record's not that great. Let's just be honest, right? So you've got the Ethereum Foundation being looked at by states to you know, for whatever they're looking into them for, right? We don't know that yet. It's not out there yet. It will come out. Everything that's in the dark will come to the light. It'll come out, but you know, they're under investigation, right? And that's just not a good look. And then you got Gary Gensler over here talking about that he's now pursuing Ethereum as a security, right? Here's the problem. If for some reason they consider Ethereum a security and that's upheld somewhere, think about everything that's built on top of Ethereum, right? Everything is built on top of it. And Ethereum is the granddaddy, right? This is the granddaddy. This is where blockchain starts. This is where blockchain is the beginning, middle, and end. Ethereum. They have the most projects. They have the most utility. They have the most, you know, the biggest network is Ethereum. So it's kind of like they're going after the biggest guy in the space and saying, we're going to cut your head off, right? So if this happens, what happens to everything that's built on top of Ethereum, right? Comes crashing down like a wall, right? Will the SEC win this? I don't think so. They're on record so many times saying that Ethereum's not a security. But here's the problem with Ethereum. Ethereum kind of put themselves in this situation. As much as I don't think that they're a security, they've kind of put themselves in this situation when they move from proof of work to proof of stake. They've kind of put themselves they staked themselves in a situation now where they have to come on out and explain themselves, right? Unfortunately, right? So when you think about this Ethereum being a security, and let's say that they deem it a security, what happens to all the layer twos, right? What happens to everything that's built on top of Ethereum, right? That's the question. That's the question. Ethereum's the granddaddy of them all, right? Ethereum is the big boy in the building, and they're going after him. And I think that this is just a direct attempt for them guys to delay the Ethereum ETFs. Because here's why I can say that. Here's why I will say that. BlackRock just is now hooking up with another company to tokenize assets on the Ethereum blockchain, actually on Base, and Coinbase is going to be the distributor. Of course, Coinbase is going to be the distributor because BlackRock owns the majority of Coinbase. So they'll be the distributor. But so you got Michael Saylor pushing Bitcoin to the moon. And then you got BlackRock now pushing Ethereum, right? So I'm pretty sure that Fink has a one-way line into Dirty Gary's office, right? And I'm pretty sure that phone call went something like this: Gary, what the hell are you doing? Right? So this is problematic. This is problematic. We don't see a really big decrease in the Ethereum price when this came out because nobody really cares what Dirty Gary does anymore. He's lost so many cases that he's not relevant. But I'm telling you, this is a problem. This could be a problem. Selmo is now. That's a crypto. It's a crypto post. It's a crypto post Malone, baby. We got Selmo. Post Selmo, baby. Post Selmo. But yo, this is a problem. This is definitely a problem. For the crypto space, man. Both of these articles are a problem because they build off of each other, right? The Ethereum Foundation, who basically runs Ethereum, right? They're under investigation. And then you got Dirty Gary over here trying to investigate Ethereum. These are a problem. Keep your eye on them. They're a problem. So what we got going on in the bubbles kind of look like what we just talked about. They're a little red, little green. We got ourselves a bag of tricks today. A little bit of bag, a little bit of red, a little bit of green. Hourly doesn't look good. Looks like the market doesn't look good, but it's Friday, baby. It's Friday. So we expect this on a Friday. But I'm telling you, Phantom is absolutely moving, boy. We went through that earlier. Phantom is moving, and so isn't Casper. Casper's moving too. But yo, we definitely got ourselves a mixed bag of tricks today. Bitcoin continues to drop, man. We're 64,791. Man, it's dropping. It's coming down. It's coming down, baby. It's coming down. Ethereum's coming down to $3,434. It's coming down, man. Hey, Tether's stable. Tether's at $1. That's good. BNB coming down, baby. It's coming down. The market's coming down. Look at Solana, $174 now, man. Coming down. Ooh, we got ourselves some bargains today, baby. Got ourselves some bargains today. So I'm getting pumped up about the bargains. Yo, RJ, why am I still pissed off about Avalanche though? Why am I still mad about this sitting at $54.99? Why am I still mad? You know why we're mad. You know why we're mad, RJ. We had this, man. We had this. We had Avalanche cheap. Sold it on a double up. Yo, why am I mad, RJ? Should have held on, brother. Should have held on. Man, Chainlink is going back to $17. Man, pulling back. It's pulling back. Tron. Watch out for Tron, guys. I'm starting to buy Tron. There's an upgrade that's coming. There's an upgrade that's coming on that blockchain. I'm going to buy into the upgrade and sell when it's launched. Or sell when this thing starts to move. Tron will move on the upgrade. It'll move on the upgrade, just like Phantom. Phantom's right now moving because of the upgrade. I mean, Phantom is killing it right now. And it's all because of the upgrade. Killing it right now. Tron's going to do the same thing. It's going to move on the upgrade. Look at Aptos. Continues to smoke it right now. $16.04. Continues to move to that upside, man. Aptos top 20 token now. Top 20. Man, it jumped Litecoin, jumped Internet Computer. Yo, Aptos is on the move, fellas. It is on the move. So isn't Phantom. Phantom and Aptos are on the move, baby. So let's go ahead. Let's get over here into some of these meme coins, baby. Let's see what we got. I mean, some of these lower market caps. You got the book of memes. Look at the book of memes, man. On the move. Book of memes on the move, guys. Look at that chart, man. Daily chart. Look at that thing, baby. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Where we get in at? We got in over in here somewhere, I think, man. Right up in here. A couple days ago, big watch. We got up in here. Selmo, me and Selmo messaged me and said, man, where were we at down here? Where were we at the 20,000 mark, man? Oh, no, hell, we missed it, man. We missed this damn ride up. But we got in somewhere down in here. We've been riding this baby up. We've been riding this thing up, man. Book of memes on the move again today. On the move again today, guys. So look at Jasmine. Went over to Jasmine price, but we're going to go ahead and look at Jasmine again for the day. You know, you guys, I haven't even took my drawings off from my video because it just doesn't matter. Just doesn't matter, baby. Because look at, told you that consolidation level was right there, and every time it consolidates for a little while, always moves to the upside. Consolidate right there, boom, smash that upside. 3 cents, it'll consolidate again. It'll do the same thing. Bone. Where we at with Bone? Bone 91 cents, dropped underneath that dollar. Watching Bone. I'm watching Bone for the big dump. If it gets to the big dump, I'm going back in, going in, riding it up to $1, bringing it back down, riding it up to that high point, selling it, and we'll do it again. Rinse and repeat. Pepe, Bonk doing his thing. Looks like it wants to run again today. Consolidated for over the past 3 days here. Consolidated for that 3-day mark. It's been consolidated for 3 days, and when it starts to consolidate for 3 days, baby, what's the next move? Going to the upside. Or the downside, one or the other. Gonna go somewhere. Pepe is all right today. Yo, buy some more Pepe. Neuroni, guys, brought you Neuroni. 16 cents. 99 cents right now. Should have got in at 16 cents. Still not too late. I'm telling you, a lot of stuff coming with Neuroni. You're going to want you some Neuroni. But, yo, brought it to you at 16 cents. Sitting at 99 cents right now. Got to get back over $1. Talked about Jupiter. Jupiter doing its thing. We're in Jupiter at 50 cents. Sitting at $1.19 right now. Jupiter's doing its thing on a sell-off yesterday. We'll see what's going to happen today. It may go on another sell-off today. That red candle ain't looking too tight right now. So Unodex. Go ahead and have a look at Unodex. Where are we at on Unodex? I didn't even look at Unodex this morning yet. 23 cents. Still on that downside. We'll see what happens today. Got a red candle started for the day. See if we can't turn that bad boy around. See if we can't turn that baby around. Pork. The hell is going on with pork? Boy? Sitting at 6039. Come on, man. What the heck is going on over here, baby? This is a big old sell-off, man. Look at that, man. That's straight. We had this big run up right here like 2 weeks ago, and it's been like straight down. You might as well just call it straight down since then, man. Come on, man. Come on, pork. What the hell are you doing over there, man? My bags ain't looking too good in pork. I'm not selling. Everybody keeps telling me that it's gonna run, so I'm gonna roll with it. But we'll see. We'll see what happens, man. I'm getting a little sick of waiting on pork, man. Getting a little sick of waiting on a dev talk for real. So, damn, I must have took MMAI up off of here. They need to do something with my damn NFTs, man. Got $750 JPEG. What the hell? What the hell was I thinking? No real money in pork. I agree, RJ. I agree, man. And it's just not moving. Yo, look at this joint right here. Look at MMAI. Look at this joint. Yo, I'm not gonna dog on it too much. Only thing I can tell you guys right here is they pulled liquidity again the other day. You're down to 176K in liquidity, right? 176K. 129, 129 million market cap, 176K in liquidity. They pulled it again the other day. I don't know. I guess they're giving loans for cars. Let's talk MMA IDG. We're on it right now. So they pulled liquidity for the third time, right? They pulled liquidity out of this project 3 times, right? Down to 176K in liquidity. So the mofos. So when you look at it, they've taken millions of dollars out of this project in liquidity. Millions and millions of dollars out of this project in liquidity. People say, why does that matter? Well, it matters because they haven't produced one utility yet, right? They haven't produced one utility. They don't have one thing out that's working. Not one. The wallet was promised a year ago this in March. They don't have one utility that's working. Not one. Augustine Strong. This more and more is starting to look like a slow rug, right? The devs come in, they pull liquidity. They come in, they pull liquidity. They make you promises, they pull liquidity. They make you more promises, they pull liquidity. Now they're talking about doing something with car loans and all that bull crap, man. Like, come on, man. There's nothing left in this project. You're talking about 176K. It's $176,000. This liquidity pool was up in the millions of dollars. Millions of dollars. RJ knows this. Big Watch knows this. A lot of people know this. It's up in the millions of dollars of liquidity. They pulled this thing down to 176K. And let's be honest. Let's just talk about this honestly for a minute, right? No hype, no bullshit, no hype. They have a offline token that they're pushing that doesn't benefit the token holders at all, right? It doesn't do anything for the token holders. So you're holding the MMAI token, them offline transactions, they don't do anything for you. You're not making any money off of them transactions. So how they spoke about it. Yeah. Augie came out and said something about it. They're literally, you guys think I'm joking. They're talking about giving car loans with your money. You guys think I'm joking. I was on Discord yesterday. I had a couple minutes. I jumped on Discord. I listened to what he had to say because I want to know what the hell is going on with my $750 JPEGs that I bought. It's all I want to know about. And he said, we pulled liquidity the other day. I said, what the hell? You did what? You did what? You pulled liquidity? And then I went back and looked at the liquidity. I'm like, damn, they did pull liquidity. Fucking scam. It is. This is a slow rug. They're slowly pulling the liquidity out. Slowly pulling the liquidity out on you guys. And pretty soon, here's what I think. Here's what I think is going on. I think they're trying to get rid of the token. Hey, Seiko, ain't drinking that Kool-Aid, but they're holding my NFT hostage. Mine too, Big Watch. I just want to know what you're doing with my $750 JPEG. That's it. That's all I want to know. Like, that's it. Like, I don't really the token, liquidity, all that stuff. It gives us something to talk about, right? Another slow rug in in the space. But what are you doing with my damn JPEG, man? That's an expensive picture, man. Uh, the good people, still in MMAI Discord. There is great people. That's the worst part about it for me, Big Watch, is that there's really good people in MMAI, and they just keep getting sucked dry. Yep, he said that. Yeah, he did. You were there. I mean, that's the problem for that's the issue that I have right there, Big Watch. Like literally, that's the issue, is that there's such good people in MMAI. There's still great people in that project, and they just keep getting sucked dry, man. This liquidity keeps getting sucked dry. So no, MMA will be the next GMC. Yo, man, if you need a car loan, man, go to MMAI. Buying Korean. Korean who's with that. Yo, man, I'm just saying, RJ, if you need a car loan, go see Augie and Andrew. Big brother, the yeah, and Seiko called this a long time ago. He said that Augie gave him scammy vibes, and we kind of were like, yeah, come on, Seiko, you know what I mean, blah blah blah. But literally, Seiko was right. Buying Korean horse with that money, maybe, man. But Seiko called this a long time ago. Seiko said it. He's been on here. He's been on here saying it since day one. Timsky said it too. Timsky said that he wasn't buying MMAI. It just didn't sit right with him, right? And them two called it. You know what I mean? And we all were looking for that dream, right? Coming off of Terrarium, we had big hopes. We thought that this project was the one. Here comes the businessmen coming into crypto, looking good and talking good, and it was great plans. And they had Ennis Labs, and they had all this stuff, and we had all great high hopes for them. Blah blah blah. It's the same old shit, different day. Literally, it's the same old shit, different day. These guys are no different than an undoxed dev that's pulling liquidity out of the project. They're no different. They're doing the same thing. Just because they're on screen, they're showing you their face, they're doing all that stuff. They're no different. They're no different. I'm glad I got out before it tanked. I took a loss. This is one of the projects I took a loss on. I sold my tokens, but I took a loss. So I'm not worried. I'm not worried about the $700 JPEG. I basically chalked my NFTs up to a loss. Like I don't, hopefully one day they'll produce the metaverse and we'll be able to see something off of our NFT, but I don't hold out any hopes. You know what I mean? I don't hold out any hopes, really. They sit in my wallet, and that's where they sit. And I chalked them up as a loss, and I figured, I'm moving on, right? I'm moving on. I took a loss. Also, shaking my head. Yeah, I think a lot of us did, Mathis. A lot of us took a loss. But you know what? I made up for my loss, though. Like I took that money that I had in MMAI, I actually put it into Neuroni, and actually have made up my losses plus some. So, we come back over here and we look, and I can tell you guys, like, you guys know when I got into Neuroni because we started talking about it, right? We started talking about it when I got in. But I got in right around 16 cents. I haven't sold any of my Neuroni yet. Like I literally haven't. I haven't sold one Neuroni. Just holding on. We got in all the way over here around the 16-cent mark over in here, and I've rolled this thing all the way up to over $1.18. And now it's down to 99 cents. I haven't sold one Neuroni yet, but I made I put this when I sold out of MMAI. I came in here and I bought I took all that money and put it into Neuroni way back around between 16 between 16 and 15 cents, and I've rolled it up, and I made all my money back that I lost out of MMAI, but that's not the point, right? The point is that these damn fools took this damn liquidity again, and damn, I look at it like this dude is just as big of a scam as everybody else. Like, there's nobody in this project like that can say that this project's not a slow rug. Cardano, Cardano needs to get in the meme coin game. I agree, brother. I agree. Cardano needs to get in the meme coin game a little bit more than what they are. So doesn't Crow. Cardano and Crow need to get into this meme coin game because the blockchains that are moving right now, the blockchains that are moving are the ones that are launching meme coins. That's why AVAX is moving. That's why Solana's moving. That's why Polygon's moving, right? They're launching meme coins, right? Cardano needs to get in. Chronos needs to get in, right? They both need to get into this game. Damn, look at AVAX. $15 now, $15.77. Killing it. Aptos, killing it, man. Killing it, man. I'm never diamond handed. I'm never diamond handed again. Me either. I'm not diamond handed again. It's all about who buys. It's all about who buys and who sells. Yeah, crypto's a peer to peer transaction. In order for you to win, somebody else has to lose, right? And don't forget, he tried to get people he tried to get people to invest in a wallet. Yeah, Big Watch. I wasn't gonna bring that one up, man. A private investor, crow. Yeah. He tried to get people to invest privately in that wallet, man. And then he didn't even know how to do that right, man. There was somebody in the community who was telling him what he was doing was against the law, and they had to go back and redo it all. How do you not know that? How do you not know that? Like, you pay lawyers to know that, right? You pay lawyers to know that. So, you got to do better. You got to do better, man. Guess the venture capitalist money is they didn't have. I don't think you had venture capitalist money like they said they did. You know about the base ecosystem. I'm learning more and more about the base ecosystem, Selmo, because they're starting to launch more and more projects over there, and I want to get in on some of the meme coins are running, man. They are absolutely moving over there on base, and it's one that I haven't tapped into yet, but I'm definitely gonna tap into it. I bet the MMAI office office probably. Bro, here's the thing about the MMAI office, Seiko, and you can go look yourself. It was nothing more than an office that was already there that Augie already owned, and they just put the logo on there. Where do you buy? Where do you buy base? That's Coinbase's blockchain. It doesn't have a token, but you go on there and you transact. It's a layer 2. So it's a layer 2, Ethereum layer 2. So starting to learn more and more about the base ecosystem and their meme tokens that they're launching over there, man. There was one of them that really got me looking into it, and I forget the name of the actual meme coin, but that thing was sending, man. And there was a couple of them over there that just sent, man. And I'm watching me Main at Seiko. It's probably still It's probably still there. But but he owned that. That's a building he already owned. Like, you know what I mean? They didn't do nothing but throw a sign up there, man. Um, someone DM the address. The address. I'll give it. I gotta go. Well, I can't. I had the address, but fan in Austin blocked me, so I can't go back and dig it up again. I think Brett. Yeah, it was Brett. That was it. Brett was the one that was sending over there on base. And when it started sending, um, that's when I started to look at it. And I'm like, you know what? Base is cheap as hell. And they're launching more and more meme coins. Mainnet in a in a blockchain. Okay. Mainnet in a blockchain. All right. Mainnet. I like it. I like it, RJ. I like it. I like it. Um, before we get out of here for today, guys, here's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna get in this vote for Pedro pre-sale. Uh, we're 50% on pre-sales, guys. You guys know I don't really care for pre-sales, but I broke my rules twice, right? I got into the Neko pre-sale, was one of the best launches ever. Let me hype it. Let me hype it again. Uh, let me type it again. All right, type it again, brother. So Neko pre-sale, absolutely amazing. Got in the hood pre-sale. That thing had a green dildo and then went straight down. Straight down. Epic failure. That pre-sale was failure. But Neko was great. I'm gonna jump and vote for Pedro pre-sale. I'm gonna see how it goes, right? Opens up today on Pink Sale. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a couple soul over there and see what's up, see what's going on, see if we can't hit one here. Seems to have a good community. Telegram seems to be popping off. They seem to have a good community. This token right here is launched by Warpigs, the Warpigs devs. So at least I know that they know how to launch a contract, right? Because they've launched a couple over there at Warpigs. But this one's on the Solana blockchain. First Sol token that they're going to launch. So I'm definitely gonna get into that one. It's on it's gonna be on Pink Sale. Yeah, Pink Sale. So if you guys want this pre-sale for vote for Pedro on Sol, it goes live today. I'm gonna get in. See what's up. Definitely getting in. And gonna see if we can't get over that 50% mark. Mainnet Z. Okay, Mainnet Z. Incoming blockchain. Incoming new blockchain. Okay, Mainnet Z. Incoming new blockchain. All right, let's look at it. Until Pink Sale fixes its issues, and Radium and not buying. I'm not buying. And not buying in. I'll tell you on when it came to Hood, I'll tell you I couldn't sell on Radium. I couldn't sell on Jupe. I ended up going to Unodex and selling. Is where I ended up going. It went through on Unodex. Wouldn't go through on Radium. Wouldn't go through on Jupe. So, that's where I ended up selling my Hood. Luckily, I did because that thing freaking tanked. That thing went down. It went down like crazy. But I think that here's the thing, guys. When you have these pre-sales and they allow for 20 Sol as a max wallet, 15 Sol as a max wallet, you got to be careful. Right? Neko was successful. Why was Neko successful? So successful? You could only have 3 Sol in a wallet, right? So you gotta, like, that means something. When your biggest wallets coming out of pre-sale. Granted, somebody might have 5 wallets, 6 wallets, whatever they have, but when your biggest wallets coming out of pre-sale are only holding 3 SOL a piece, uh, that has an impact on your launch. Uh, the larger the SOL raised, uh, the slower it takes. Yeah, well, because you blow your wad on your pre-sale, right? You know, if there's a ton of SOL raised on a pre-sale, you blow your wad. Who's left it? Who's buying in at launch, right? So, but you know, when you one of the keys though is how much they allow you to put in one wallet, right? So that's the key. Like, it's if I have 20 SOL worth of a project, you know, I'm looking, my profits are a whole hell of a lot bigger than somebody who has 1 SOL, right? So I can sell a whole hell of a lot earlier, right? Because my profits are looking pretty damn good. If you got 1 SOL and I got 20, you know, my 2% gain looks a whole hell of a lot better than your 2% gain. You might be looking for that 10x. I might be looking for that 5x, right? So by the time I dump that 20 SOL on the chart, you may never get to your 10x. You may never get there. So that's the difference. That's the difference in the wallets, right? Coming off a pre-sale. If people keep buying, people keep buying on radio, at launch, the bots are eating these charts up, man. The bots are always eating these charts up, especially at launch. Chaka, when he launched Neko, he had a bot on there that was absolutely sending that chart, man. Bots are good and bad at the same time, but that bot sent that chart, man. At one point, it bought $20,000 worth. It immediately sold for like 21,000, right? But that put so much volume on that chart. Now I'm looking for a 2x 2x and I'm out. Yeah, I mean, depending on what you're putting in, right? I mean, you can't hold. No, you can't hold these launches. They're rugging too fast, especially on Soul. They're rugging. You got to get in, you got to get out. You got to get in, you got to get out, because they're like, these devs are. I watched a couple of contracts on Soul. Usually, the devs rugged the project. Project had like $2,000-$3,000 in liquidity. I'm like, damn, you're rugging already? You're pulling liquidity already? And then I found out that it was actually free to launch on Solana, and I'm like, well, that's why, because they're over there, they're launching 3-4 contracts a day for free, and then they're just rugging them at a couple grand. Hey RJ, I don't trade on Radium. I use Jupiter. Jupiter gets slow too, though. Base memes are Coinbase. Yeah, base memes are Coinbase. It's a Coinbase layer 2, but they're sending over there, man. They're absolutely sending over there. So, all right, guys, we're gonna get out of here for the weekend, baby. It's the freaking weekend. Let's go. It's the weekend, baby. It's the freaking weekend. It's Friday, boys. It's Friday. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get out of here for the weekend. RJ says he used Jupiter. Also, I believe it or not, like, I literally have been trading 99% of my Solana tokens on Unodex, just because I've had terrible success with Jupiter. I've had terrible success with Radium. Jupiter better than Radium, but still, it gets bogged down. Gets way bogged down, man. But all right, guys. So with that, we're gonna get out of here. It's the freaking weekend, baby. Let's go. Let's do this thing for the weekend. Market looks like it's going to trade sideways. Market doesn't look like it's going anywhere today, and that's okay. That's okay for the market to trade absolutely sideways until the halving. We are going to stay here until the halving. We're going to maybe hit 70K, and that's okay. That's okay. We have had such of a nice ride up that, guess what, guys? It is okay for us to trade sideways until the halving, because after the halving, this thing's going to send, right? This thing is going to send, baby. So, yo, be careful. Be cautious this weekend. Invest in some blue chips. Go play around with the memes. Go play around with the memes, baby. Go play around with the memes. Go have fun with the memes. But just know you're probably gonna lose more than you're gonna win, and that's okay too, as long as you're playing around with money that you just want to play around with, because you only need to hit one, baby. You only need to hit one. And if you hit one and you hit it right, man, that'll send you and make up for all the rest of your losses. But only play around with a small portion of your portfolio in the memes. Come on over here, invest in these blue chips. Move your profit over here to these blue chips, because this is where you're going to be making money securely. And you know that your money is going to go up, and you don't got to worry about getting rugged over here, guys. You don't got to worry about getting rugged. So make your money off the memes. Move it over here. Go have fun. Go play around on the meme coins. Go get into some pre-sales. Go get into some launches. Just do it with money that you're willing to lose, guys. And then if you happen to make some money, move it on over here to these blue chips like a smart investor would do. But other than that, guys, we're going straight sideways this weekend. It's what it looks like, and we're okay with it. And watch Reddit, boys. I got into that IPO. It thing sent 48% at on the first half a day of trading, because it didn't start trading until like 12 o'clock yesterday. Watch Reddit today, guys. Reddit will probably send again. It probably will come down before it sends again, but Reddit will send again. It's live on the stock exchange, guys. Don't miss the stocks. Don't miss the stocks over here playing in with crypto as well. Make money on both sides of this market, man. Let's get paid. Let's get out of here, and let's get to the weekend. Y'all have a great day. I'm out.